Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm in the thumb of Michigan and like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes. And today I'm here because I got a deal on some meat and I wanted to share it for anyone else that's in Michigan. Myers has their bone-in old-fashioned hams on sale for 79 cents a pound. And I got one. Can you see? I got it sliced into ham steak. Sometimes you got to go back the next day because if they've sliced any raw pork on the slicer, then you have to wait till the next morning, and they do the hams before that. So I need to open this up. I'm gonna package it up and vacuum seal it. But I got all this meat for $8.54, right? That's what $8.54. It's gonna do us for dinners, for pasta salad, for breakfast, for just so many, pastas, for sandwiches. But I'm looking at the ham steak for the two of us is like perfect, rather than having to cook a whole ham and then we have way too much left over. So I have get a bunch of meals out of this, and I will let you know. Then I also checked the clearance, and I got this London broil, and beef is so expensive. I got this for $8.94, and it is 1.6 pounds. The original price was $17.58 a pound. Then it was on sale for $11.18, and I got this for $11.94 for $5.58 a pound for beef. They also have Boston pork butt roast, the big roast, the butt roast, on sale for $1.49, $1.49 a pound. Oh, I just was amazed. So I got 3 of them, and I might go back and get more, and I'm going to can those because I am almost out of canned pork, and I use it for pulled pork, for super fast dinners, for casseroles. I turned it into gravy on mashed potatoes. In fact, I did a video for the beginning of Make It March with that. So that, I might have to go buy some more, but I'm going to start with 3. And then they had pork chops, and I like the bone-in mixed pork chops the best. I think they have the most flavor, and these were on sale for $1.99 a pound. $1.99. So I got 2 packs of these. So this was $8.99, and it's 4.52 pounds. So I was just shocked that, $1.99. And we had 2 last night for dinner, and my husband loved them. And we don't buy a lot of steak right now, so these I cooked on our cast iron skillet, and perfect, just perfect. Seasoned them up. So I wanted to share those and some of my, plans for all this. Now, the reason I have been looking for some stew meat or beef of any kind is a friend gave me a Japanese curry recipe. And it's like they had a Japanese exchange student living with them when they were growing up, and she's still part of the family. She lives in the United States, and it's from her. So I really am looking forward to making this, and maybe I'll do a video on that. But I'm going to package up all this meat. This weekend I'm going to can the pork. I think I'm going to do it just plain. I might do some as Mississippi pork. I might go get some more and do it that way. But this weekend I'm going to focus on just the plain. If you'd like to see a video on that, let me know. But just wanted to stop in and make sure you're checking those sale flyers, because meat prices are not going to be going down much. They're going to be going up. I don't know when I'll see $1.49 a pound again for a Boston pork butt roast. So that's a great deal. And to get pork chops for $1.99, that's a good price too. So check your flyers, and then when you go, don't forget to check for these nice little red tags or whatever color the tags are in your store. And if you're like us and a whole ham is too much, ask the meat department if they will slice it into ham steaks for you. I got ours 1/2 inch, I said 1/2 inch or just under. So I got all this meat, including the 3 pork roast, for $50. That's a lot of meat, and for the 2 of us, it's a lot of meals. So pay attention to your local prices, to sales flyers, and share with your friends, when you find a deal. There's a group of us around here that do that. And I never knew that Myers would do this, except a friend posted it on Facebook a few days ago. So now several of us have done that. So share your ideas, because I might know something you don't know, you might know something I don't know, and our neighbors will know something else. So happy shopping. I hope you get some deals, and we'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.